What's up, tubers? Fjester here. The J is silent. I'm going to take a few minutes of your time and I'm going to show you how to save a lot of money buying parts for your modifications, buying stuff to maintain or detail your FJ Cruiser. So we need to go inside to my desktop where I can show you. I think I got over 20 items. It's going to save you money on your FJ Cruiser. So let's go. Okay, there's really no specific order to this, but there's a little bit. We're going to start out with modifications, go into maintenance, and then a little bit of detailing. So first off, all of these things can be found on Aliexpress.com. They are a division of Alibaba. This is China. Most of these items, you got to realize you cannot return. So buyer beware. Do a search on here for FJ Cruiser and then your specific things you want. Expect a 3 to 4 week delivery on these things. So the first thing on the list here is, who doesn't like FJ Cruiser t-shirts? Here is one, and there's many of them. $15, or should I say under $15, delivered to you. This is one of my favorite modifications, the motorcycle helmet hook. Under $1.50 each. Many colors to choose from. And if you look in the upper right corner, I'll put a link to the video where I show where I put this. Now this is pretty cool. We all know what a storage problem and armrest problem we have. This mounts over your little center console, has an armrest, and it's got USB ports on here. $53, but remember, this is not returnable. Light bar mounts for your rooftop. $36. This allows you to mount a 52-inch LED light bar. This thing bolts underneath the front part of your luggage rack. FJ Cruiser logo emblems. This is what you've got on your tailgate and back. This is for 2 of them in chrome. $21 delivered. And they've also have these in matte black if you're doing the matte black murdered out look on your FJ. Toyota auxiliary switches. Now these are for air compressors, light bars, roof racks, all kinds of things. But if you look at the first one, you can get it delivered for around $8 to $10. But if you dig a little deeper on AliExpress, you can find it for under $4 delivered. This is crazy, man. Hey, our antenna boots. These things rot, dry out. And if you look on Amazon, they're probably around $10 a piece. The dealerships probably want $15. But here you go. Really cheap. Delivered to your house. Who changes their oil on their FJs themselves? Then you know 10 of these are going to run you $10 on Amazon. Here they are. Under $3. Free shipping delivered to your house. Did you know that the oil drain plug on our FJs is not magnetic? $1.16 delivered from China. I don't know how they do this. Here's your magnetic drain plug the next time you change your oil. These are kind of cool if you're into that kind of cool thing. FJ Cruiser, stainless steel LED sill plates. That's right. These things light up. FJ Cruiser specific front recovery points. $95. If you can even find these in the United States, they're almost double. Getting them from Australia where they are available, you're going to pay over $95 in shipping. Now, I know for a fact One guy on the FJ Cruiser forums bought these. He said the nuts and bolts leave a little bit to be desired. You might want to put them through a tap and die before you use it, or just buy your own nuts and bolts. But still, $95 is 50% off. I hope you're not into niggering out your FJ with graphics and stickers all along the side. But if you are, $45, and they got a buttload of different graphics for the sides and roof and hood for your FJ. And here we go with a T10 194 LED bulbs. 2 of these delivered for about $3.50. And they've got blue, white, red, and yellow. These will fit above your license plates, the mirror lights, and a few other places, I think, inside the FJ. I'm not saying this is the best price. You can probably do better if you dig a little deeper and surf a little longer. Okay, these are a must-have for all of us. 10 of these for under $1 delivered to your house. These are the plastic clips that just about hold everything on our FJs together. I would have 20 of these on hand if I was you. If you've ever pulled off your inside door panels, or who knows, all kinds of other stuff on our FJ, you know what these clips are. They break all the time. This is not the best price on Aliexpress. You can get these a lot cheaper, but here you go, $5 for 50 of them. It's still a good deal. These are the clips that hold the grill in. There's 2 of them, I believe, and I know I got one of them broke. So guess what I just did? I just spent $1.06 ordering 10 of these for my FJ. Here's a grab bag assortment of all kinds of clips. A little bit over $2 delivered to your house. Have you ever messed with your bumper wings? Then you know what these things are. Here's 10 of them for under $2. Under $2 for 30 of these. I can vouch for these. I've got these. These fit most of your exterior plastic trim on your doors. This is over $10 just about everywhere else online. These go at the bottom of your wash bucket and trap the sand and dirt and debris down below the level where your sponge can hit them. These net out a little bit over $0.10 a piece. I've ordered these twice. I use these all around the house and when I'm detailing, waxing, or cleaning the FJ. These things are awesome. You should buy these. Who uses the Chemical Guys Hex Logic pads for buffing, waxing, detailing their cars? Normally the 5-inch ones are about $7 a piece. Here you can get all 5 of them for $7 a piece in the 5-inch size. Clay bars, cheap. Last but not least, who wants a toy FJ Cruiser for $8? All right, man, I hope you liked that. I hope you found something that you can save money on. This is social media, right? Social means we talk, we communicate. So leave comments, man. If you buy something off of here, I'm not making money off of this. I'm just turning you on to a way to do it. If you buy something on here, leave a comment down below what you bought, what you thought of the quality, how long it took you to receive it, so other people know. If you know of other places or better places to save money on specific items, share them with the social FJ community by leaving comments down below. All right, so I think the subscribe button's down there, the thumbs up button's about there. I can't think of anything else, so see ya.